All right, guys, this is your tutorial for how to use the CoachRx app. I'm going to go through and explore the different features for you so you understand where you need to find everything. Let's go ahead and open that up. Each day you will notice you will have an exercise and a lifestyle piece to complete. In those sections, it's going to have everything that you need to know for your workout, as well as everything that we were working on nutrition and lifestyle behavior for the day. Now, if you notice up at the top here, there's a calendar. You can click on the calendar and that will open up the month for you. As you can see here, there's a few X marks. Those are the days that I didn't complete. So if you're looking over a full month, you can see how many workouts and lifestyle pieces that you completed. Now, the more that you complete, the more consistent you are, the better the results are going to be. With this calendar feature too, you can go back in specific days and complete the workouts that you may have missed. So if you are scheduled for a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday workout, for instance, and you can't make your Monday workout, you can do that on Tuesday. You would just use this calendar feature and then click on the Monday workout like so. All right. So it's a good way to keep yourself accountable by checking this. All right. So next one, we're going to go to our current day. So we are on, let's just go Friday here. So we have a workout to look at. So we'll go into the workout. As you see here, it's all laid out into different parts and sections. For you to get to each section, you need to start the workout. All right, we'll start with the coach's notes here. It's exactly what we're going to be working on for the day. As you scroll through, you will see the warm-up. You will see the strength portion. So I want you to notice that the top here is where the demonstration videos are. Right below that strength intensity to the right. Demonstration videos, click on that. You will get all the demonstration videos for that specific section. Now, if you're going through each week, we have exercise history, which is on the top left here. You're going to use that to go back through each week that you've been completing the workouts and recording your results so that we know how to progress and we know where to start on the current week. As you move through each section, make sure you're adding the results here at the add results section. And if I'm asking you to record a video to send to me, you will hit the paper clip to the right of the add results and you can add in your video there. The sections will not be completed if you do not add the results. So go all the way through and then hit complete workout and you will get a good check mark there. All right, so other features to look at, notifications here. These are going to be any messages that you will get from me. All right, whether it's responding to feedback to your workout or something that I'm sending out for us to work on for the week, that's where you're going to see the messages. You can respond there as well. And then in the profile section, there's a lot of stuff in here as far as your metrics. We can look at your assessment there, or where you are as far as progressing through your training. We have equipment list if you're working from home or a different gym. We have goals, documents. Documents is full of a lot of resources that we do here in Weekend Warrior Fitness. And then finally, book a call. So if you book a call, this is for your consultation. Hit the consultation. That'll pull up my calendar for the month, and you guys can schedule your monthly consult or consultation with me from that point. So I am an advocate of collecting as much data as possible because that's going to tell the story for us getting results, and then we'll work together on strategies that are specific to you to be successful.